When he came in this morning, he was up in his office, so I did a couple things.
Yeah, let me see what you did.
What up, boys? In the last video you guys seen, I gave the boys free reign on the 39,000 mile EG hatch. And in return, I got something that I wanted, which you guys seen in the previous video. I bought this one owner 95 Civic SI hatch. I kept the car away from them for so long because I know they'd love to destroy the car. So in my opinion, this car is worth a good amount of money. It's worth value. It's a unicorn. So I want to do an OEM like rebuild. The engine's gonna stay in the car. I just wanted to refresh the engine bay, make the car look like OEM plus car, make it look very, very, very nice. So I got the car here today. I brought it here with the other hatch. The boys are with me. The plan is to try to refresh this car because it was a little bit of a driver's car, but it's not that bad. But the engine bay does need a refresh. Thinking about doing like all new zinc bolts. Engine bay looks pretty shitty compared to the body, but overall it's a great solid car. It's a unicorn in my eyes, super hard to find, 95 Civic SI hatch. The engine bay looks pretty shitty. It's not shitty.
It's got potential.
It's got potential?
Yeah.
It's still got all like zinc stuff, but it needs like a degrease, like it needs to be clean.
The color is
like,
just like off.
Watch this, like just run your hand on it. It needs to, the color's off because it's dirty. Like someone did a shit job detailing this. But everything's still intact, everything's factory. And the most best part about it, it's super hard to find how hard is it to find 95 Civic SI hatch? Right now and today.
You probably could find one online right now for sale.
Bone stock, one owner.
Oh.
I know where there's one at.
Where? No, OEM build. I think that's what YouTube wants to see. Oh, this car would be like great OEM restored. It'd look amazing. I think clean engine bay, all zinc bolts. Bro.
You gave us one car.
I gave you guys free reign on the EG hatch. Like 39,000 miles, boom. You guys done destroyed it. Or whenever you guys destroy it, you guys are gonna destroy it anyway. So, Civic hatch, yeah, I get it. You can find it every day, but 95 Civic SI white hatch, almost damn near impossible to find bone stock.
For the new people that are on the channel, I want you to give them a full walkthrough of the car again, just to and the people just to remind them what what the car is.
We haven't even washed this thing.
No, this car is dirty. Like all that stuff on the hood is dirty. I washed it before I stored it.
Look how clean the molding is. Still.
This is right here. Best part about the car.
Do you believe this car was 14 grand?
That was a lot of money back then.
It was.
Yeah.
14 grand back then. He was like 100 grand today.
This car would bring over 14 grand today, which is fucking wild.
I bet you paid that. These cars hold their value.
Yo,
you paid more?
I paid way more than the sticker price. Yeah, I paid. Well, by the time like I'm in it right now, I'm more money in than the sticker price.
Destination and handling, so you probably paid on that.
And the car this car sold in California, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, California. You know what that means, baby? No rust, so that means this car would be perfect for an OEM refresh in the engine bay. But everything else around the car is great. Look at the hubcaps.
I don't know where we are.
Look at the muffler. Shit is brand new.
That muffler's worth a lot of money right now.
SI hatch muffler because the tip is different than a regular hatch. Yo, so me and you drove this earlier here today. What'd you say? Best interior, right? One of the best interiors.
One of the best interiors, yeah.
It's
clean.
Let's open that thing up.
Until you get in and fucking leave your shit everywhere.
You have a stock radio with the car, so.
Check out those SI seats. We have the factory radio. I don't know, I think the door panels, the other ones come with like lines in them because mine has
92, 93 are different. They have the checkered lines in them.
like the ones in my car over there.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna show you guys the walk around the car. We're not gonna do anything to the body. The body's gonna stay the same because everything's fresh on the outside.
And remember when I was telling them 92, 95 come painted on the bottom? So this is probably 95, so it's painted.
Yeah, show them because they don't believe it.
Pockets.
This car is all original.
And then the pockets in the front are painted.
They didn't believe it when we said it.
Yeah, so 94, 95 come painted. 92, 93, they'll be black in the front.
So that's the plan with the car. We're gonna do zinc in the engine bay, just like factory. Clean it up. I'm gonna degrease the hell out of the engine bay. I wanna keep it factory. I don't wanna paint anything because the car is all stock, bone stock. I have the original title. I have the original window tag. I have the original keys, the original books. I'm honestly more excited than anything else that we've put together.
I want them to comment below and when they see this video, are you doing the right choice, or should we put a swap in here?
No, that's out of the question.
Are you guys with this guy or against him?
Drop in the comments if you guys think I'm doing the right decision, which I think I am. K-swap in this car, or like a B-series swap, would just completely kill the value, it'd kill the car, and the internet would hate you guys forever. I would hate you guys forever.
What were you saying earlier?
About what?
About this car. It's not like a fun driving car, right? You gonna back that up what you were saying earlier or not?
I mean, it's a single cam, it gets good gas mileage, but it's one of those things that you keep in the garage and it just gains value, like a stock NSX or a stock Type R.
Can I give you my OEM Plus build?
What is it?
I'll just surprise you.
No, hell no.
I think we could bring this shit back to like nice.
Okay. I'll promise you I'll bring it.
Can we do an OEM Plus on it?
No, the plan is we're gonna... We'll leave the engine and transmission in. We'll zinc everything because the car still has AC, power steering. So we'll zinc everything, wash the bay, degrease it.
I'm talking like brand new airbox, like the way me and him want to do it. Like brand new everything.
I'm with that.
Like brand new brackets, intake tube, airbox, throttle cable. We'll put everything brand new down to AC lines.
Yeah.
Can we handle the resto on it?
Yeah, all right, I'll give you guys that. All brand new stuff.
Brand new everything.
Brand new airbox, brand new AC lines. I'll get a brand new AC compressor. Brand new radiator if you guys want. Everything has to be OEM Honda.
Yeah.
And that's the plan. This car has to be full OEM restored. That's good with you guys?
Okay.
Were you with that?
You got a deal.
Power steering, right?
Power steering, AC.
We'll do new pump, new power steering lines, everything. Because honestly, these probably won't even come clean anyways. So we'd like to put some brand new stuff.
I'm with the brand new stuff. I'm with
brand new. I can put a brand new OEM Honda battery in there for you too.
I'm with that. Okay. That's what I want.
All right.
I want you to put the radio back in. Like the car has to stay factory.
We don't even touch anything on the interior, just the radio.
No suspension. I don't want nothing. Like I want this car to look just like this, hubcaps and all. I don't even want to leave my window sticker on here.
Okay, I got you.
You guys with that? All right, boys. This is the next project for the shop. The white hatch, we didn't tune it yet. We'll probably tune it by the end of the week, maybe beginning next week. So this is going to be the next shop project, is to get this car back to factory. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Morning YouTube. Today's officially day one. We're gonna start working on the 95 Civic SI hatch, the white SI hatch, the one owner one. I gave the boys free rein on the Phantom Gray EG, just waiting for you guys' comments. I'm gonna let that rock for a little bit, but our plan is to start the EG SI build, the OEM build. So the boys are in the other bay. We're gonna try to get a game plan going today on what we're gonna do with the restore. I think we're gonna go with zinc bolts. Zinc is like factory, so I think white on zinc, like to restore all the bolts. I think that'll look good, but I don't know what we're gonna do yet. I just want the bay to look super clean, OEM, and as stock as possible. It's a one owner car, so just want to keep the factory theme and just kind of keep the car as a collector's car. So what's the plan today, bros?
Get to dive in, right?
Dive in. I give you guys free rein on the Phantom Gray hatch. Now you guys give me what I want. I want stock, full OEM build, rebuild.
You know what I like about this is it's gonna be quick because it's just like some bolts. We're not doing the whole car. Right?
No, it's just gonna be engine bay, full OEM engine bay.
Brackets and bolts, so it should be a quick turnaround time. It's probably gonna take longer to get the hardware back.
Zinc?
Yeah, I think zinc on white is
yes.
gonna be fresh.
Zinc's gonna be fire. And you guys promised me to get new airbox. I get new AC lines.
I promise you this. I promise you a new AC, full new AC system, new power steering system, all new bolts. What else?
Dude, that's all the stuff that's on
new
top.
Airbox.
Everything has to be
I promise you everything's gonna be new.
That's what I want. I want a full brand new OEM build, because you guys can do whatever the hell you guys want. You guys ruin the other car, and you guys ruin the other car too for leaving those comments. So I want full OEM resto on this car.
And I got brand new OEM hubcaps too at the house for this in the box.
I like that. I like that. So I gotta leave in like probably about an hour. I'll leave the camera here with you guys, and I'll let J-Rock edit the next video for me of you guys doing the rest of it. I'm not gonna be here, so.
Because another thing is too, like they want to see the detail and stuff. We always, you know, skip like, all right, engines out, motors in. Like they want to see the details. So we're gonna give them a step-by-step of what we do and stripping the engine bay down, painting it, putting a motor in, bolts, all that stuff. So I get to see the details. So he's gonna leave the camera with J-Rock, and we're gonna go through that and show you guys everything.
That's fine with me, because I hate editing. Like, I hate editing, so I'll leave the camera with you. I'll leave the camera for you guys for one video until I get back, and then you guys do the OEM resto, which is probably gonna take a few weeks. So, how do you guys feel? OEM resto for the win? Something different?
I like it because it's gonna be simple.
Simple, right?
You don't gotta worry about nothing.
I'm not really happy because I'm not a fan of the single cam, but
It's a 1.6 though. That other shit on the other side, that 1.5 is no good. The 1.6 does a really good burnouts. But OEM resto, 95 Civic SI, one owner. I mean, it doesn't get better than this, honestly.
Are you actually gonna drive the car? Like, what do you?
I don't know, I just want to take pictures with it.
Just want to look at it.
Fresh engine bay, white, like zinc bolts, OEM resto, we got the window tag, like.
what do I do with this? Take pictures like, hey,
That's what we're about to find out.
hey, what, I got a window cord?
Yeah, I got a 95 Civic SI hatch, one owner, really hard to
I
get.
don't even think the guys on YouTube even want a stock car.
Yes.
But
Drop in the comments if you guys would love a stock car. Me personally, like, we got the 50,000 mile ITR. That car is awesome, right?
that's a collector car.
So is this.
Behind that car.
It's cool that it's an SI, yeah. Great gas mileage, but it ends there. There's nothing else spectacular about it. Right or wrong?
The spectacular part about it is that you can't find this car again. Like, you can find it, but it's super hard to get. Yeah, you can find a Type R, but I haven't seen many white Civic SI hatches, EGs.
It's okay. I'm gonna give you your OEM build. The car's on the left right now. We're gonna start stripping it down, and we'll see them in the next clip.
All
You're
right.
gonna get your dumbass build.
A few moments later.
Yo, J-Rock,
Yeah.
what happened? Little does he know, what did we do?
We ain't having that shit, bro.
Yeah.
Hell fucking no, bro.
Yeah.
He's about to leave right now. And when he came in this morning, he was up in his office, so I did a couple things.
Yo, let me see what you did. I can't believe you didn't open the hood and see this.
Okay, you wanna bring it up? Bring it up. All the way.
And just like that, the single cam's out.
Fuck you, Sonic.
Sonic's leaving. He doesn't even know I'm recording, but. So it's fucking single cam. See you later, motherfucker.
All right, guys, so Sonic's gone. He went on vacation. He's gone for a couple days. So that gives me, Ahmed, and Kevin free reins for a couple days at least. You want to fill him in on what the real plans are with the car?
All right, so let's start off with, little does he know, the single cam is not going back inside. I already have the motor sold. They're coming to pick it up today at 5 o'clock. Hopefully he doesn't watch this video, but what we're gonna end up doing is we're gonna strip the engine bay down. I'm gonna show you guys how we're gonna strip it down. Literally take everything out, subframe out. We're gonna paint the bay. We're not gonna shave anything because we still want to give it the OEM plus. We're gonna case swap. I have a nice case swap for this car. I'm not gonna tell you what case swap it is, but I have a case swap to go back in. And we're gonna finish this case swap and make it look OEM as if it came factory in this car, because I feel like this car deserves that. So we're still gonna have power steering, it's gonna have AC, and pretty much we're gonna go from there. So.
He still gets his OEM plus in a way, right?
Yeah. It's gonna look factory, like this car came factory with a case swap.
How pissed off you think he's gonna be?
Oh, he's gonna be pissed off.
I feel like he's gonna be pissed off, but I feel like the way we're gonna execute it, he's gonna be happy in the end. And I feel like you guys won't be disappointed either.
Yeah, I feel like the people are gonna be more happy at the end. I think he's really gonna be fucking pissed
He's
off.
gonna be pissed.
He really
because
is.
like he said, you really don't find these cars like that, and it's hard to find them in this condition already. But I mean, we don't really collect cars, so I want to have fun with this car.
And honestly, he truly loves this car, like with a passion. So I don't know, he's not gonna take it well, but I promise it'll be good.
I just pray he doesn't watch this upload. Hopefully he doesn't have any service out there, he doesn't see this upload, and I'm gonna try
At that point, it doesn't even matter because we're gonna do what we want to do. So
it's too late, the SIM card's gonna be gone,
So when you guys see this video, it's gonna be Sonic's first time seeing this video as well. So, so that's it.
See you guys.